see some people were out here throwing beer cans. But Bud Light, I didn't know folks were still drinking that. We should do a cleanup out here, though. In particular, the people that live here should be involved also. The locals.
Yeah. Oops, sorry.
Yep. Gotta watch your line, watch your road, and, you know, ease into it, not just hit it too hard. It's mentally and physically challenging too, isn't it?
Yeah.
People don't realize this is like, it's not just a
Kind of like sweat inside.
it's a cruise out in nature, but you're also, all right, so look what you're doing, hit your line. Yep. So yep, there you go. You just want to crawl. That's why they call it crawling. You want to crawl over the obstacle. Got it. Good job. Good job. You can hit that one to the left or go around it. It's up to you. You could have made it through it easily. But you do what you're comfortable with. Go at your pace.
Get all tense.
You sweating? Like a hooker in church?
Yeah.
Except you're not a hooker and we're not in church. Hmm?
Take that. Oh my God, it's gonna be nasty and ugly. Oh, look at this.
You don't want to go to the left because it's a pretty deep rut, so stay to the right where the water is.
Stay to the right.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
To the left is a deep rut.
Okay.
Not too far to the right. You want to be
There. Like there.
yeah, right here. Just stay that line. Go straight. That's fine. These aren't deep. You got a log in it. You got you're lifted, so you can clear it. Stay to the left a little bit, yeah, because you got to make sure you don't hit that log. There you go.
Oh my God. Oh, that is
Now you see why it's so addictive, right? It's fun.
cool.
It's fun, right? It's actually my first time being a passenger in a Jeep four-wheeling, so you know I got some trust for you if I'm letting you drive me around off-road on the side of a mountain. Two more logs in the middle of the road. I go to the left of that log, of both of them. Sometimes people put them there to let you know, hey, there's something here. But I would just go to the left of it. And I think you actually have enough clearance to clear that. Yeah, you did. Yeah. But still, you don't know. Oh, they made some nice cuts on those too. I'd come back and cut those again and take that with me.
Like a nice
gator.
table, or
Yeah.
even a planter.
Hold on. Let me just show what we just drove through right there. Oh, that water. Yeah.